booming in your G. We're booming in your G.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all there once again. First of all, do me a favor and stop this video and go subscribe down below because, well, it's free and who doesn't like anything that's not free? But anyways, this video is going to be all about summer, and I don't know why I did that. Hopefully you guys like this video. I'm gonna teach you guys some easy DIYs that you guys can do and make your room a lot more summery, and also some healthy and easy delicious snacks that you guys can do throughout the whole summer. I had a lot of fun doing this just because I got to be in the pool and eat fruit, and it was just amazing, even though I really got super tan because I forgot to put SPF sunscreen. But I always forget, I don't even know why, but knowing how my sensitive skin is, like, it wasn't any shock. But hopefully you guys like this video, and without any further ado,
it's a perfect day for a fight.
for this DIY, I'm going to use two types of papers and a frame and an X-Acto knife. First thing I'm gonna do is to measure and cut the exact measurement of the frame, so that way both of the scrapbook papers fit perfectly. Having that done, next step is to take my green paper and draw a leaf. It's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, because low-key I was really struggling to do this. I was like, how hard is it to draw a leaf? But it can be tricky. But once you have a shape of something in there, then you're gonna take your X-Acto knife and very carefully cut the leaf. When I pull the leaf out, I should be left with this. So the last step is to simply put everything into the frame, and voila, we are all done with this tropical frame. Moving on to the next DIY, I'm gonna need foam, a little pot, foam block, rocks, acrylic paint, Sharpie, brushes, and lastly but not least, a hot glue gun. Okay, so that was a lot of materials, but believe me, it's super easy to do. I'm starting off by drawing a little succulent. Now again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I made 3 leaves to assemble this succulent. I made a big one, a medium one, and a small one. Then I'm gonna add details to both sides. With my Sharpie, I decided to do it with a gold one, but you guys can also do black. It's really up to you. To assemble this plant, I'm gonna take my medium leaf and cut just a tiny piece, like right in the center, so I can place it on top of the big leaf. And for the small leaf, I'll do the same, but this time I'll place it on the side. Does that make sense, you guys? Did I literally just confuse you there? If I'm confusing you, just like put the volume down and just watch. Now that that's done, I'm gonna take my pot and paint it. Like, you guys can get creative with this. You guys can even put glitter, pom-poms. I mean, literally, you can do whatever you want to this little pot. The more creative, the better. So now I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna take my foam block and just cut a little piece, so that way I can place it in the little pot. Then I'm gonna glue my little succulent. Now, don't worry if it's a little bit wobbly, because that's what the rocks are for. It's gonna make it a lot more firmer. Then you should be left with this little adorable succulent made out of foam, and if you're like me, then it's not gonna die like every plant that you ever own.
So tell me what you wanna do. We can roll it outside.
Moving into snacks, which you guys have been waiting for. So for this DIY, you're gonna need a small pineapple, and you're gonna carefully cut it all the way from the top to the bottom in half. Once I do that, then I'm gonna cut my pineapple in squares horizontally and vertically, as you can see here. So that way I can easily take out the squares out of the pineapple. And some of them are gonna be hard, but that's why you can always use the knife, which is what I was doing. Then to carve it even more, I'm gonna take a spoon and just make it like super smooth and make sure that everything is clean. And if you guys are wondering what I did with all of this pineapple that I'm taking out, do not worry, because I did not waste it. I actually used it in a smoothie, so I did not waste any fruit whatsoever. So the last step is to simply fill it up with fruit, but you guys can fill it up with your favorite fruit, which comment down below and tell me which one is it. But once you're done with that, then you are ready to take a lot of selfies with this, because literally I just went crazy with this when I went to the pool. It's like, I need this in my life. I need this in my Instagram pictures. So the last snack is gonna be actually a smoothie. You're gonna need a cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 8 cups of ice. Now, you're gonna throw everything into the blender and well, I think we all know how to make a smoothie, and you're just gonna simply blend it. Once I'm done blending it, I'm gonna put it in my special summer cup, which is this little coconut right here. And then you can top it off with some whipped cream and some shredded coconut. And it really does refreshes you. So, you're welcome. So that was it, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe down below. And also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And what I always clap. I feel like you guys are so tired of me clapping. And also, you guys, I wanted to tell you guys a little something like super quick, just because I'm going through something. But always, you guys, know your self-worth. So if you think that anyone is treating you bad, or they're treating you any less, do not settle for that, you guys. Always make sure that they're treating you with the best intentions and true love, not fake love that they say that they will never hurt you even though they're hurting you. Don't let anyone tell you that you're less, because you're not. And if they tell you that you're less, well, that person is an idiot, or maybe they're jealous of you because they're insecure of themselves. So, but going back to summer, hopefully you guys keep enjoying your summer. Don't forget to wear SPF sunscreen. Don't be like me, because you will regret it later on. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
We're cool for the summer.